Happy New Year, superstars. This is Magi Helena. Today, let's look at the main trends for January 2019 in all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi Astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the US and in 40 countries worldwide to understand how to use star timing to achieve their dreams. Before we get started, please be sure to subscribe right here on YouTube and then click that little bell on the immediate right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. Okay, let's look at the astrological outlook for January 2019. January starts off tough with the Sun-Saturn eclipse in the Geocentric Longitudes and Declinations, complicated in the longitudes by the asteroid Sappho, and Saturn opposition Earth in Helio. These are terrible days in the very beginning of the month and the new year to start new things, including those New Year's resolutions. So anything you plan to start is better put off until the second week of the month. The best runs of good days are around mid-month in January. The first run of good days features a lovely Sun-Jupiter parallel, a powerful Sun-Pluto conjunction, and a sweet Earth-Neptune trine progression, which sets up in Helio. A few days later in the second run of good days, there's a Jupiter-Chiron Cinderella aspect in Magi Zodiac 7 Geo, a Venus-Mars-Pluto sexual grand trine in Helio, and some supercharged financial geometry also in Helio, including Earth and the financial asteroid Midas. Toward the end of the month, we have just a couple scattered good and bad days, with most days neutral. If you want to make this your best January ever, write Best January in the comments below. So these are the general trends for January. To see the whole best and worst days calendar for January with lots of info about how to use this to help you in your life, click the link below. If you liked this video, click like. If you didn't like it, click dislike. If there's someone you know that could benefit from this video, please share it with them. And don't forget, be sure to subscribe right here on YouTube for more astrology videos. And if you want to hang out with me some more, come visit me on MagiHelena.com for self-empowerment info, blogs, astrology lessons, and more. I hope you have an awesome January.